Hey guys, PepperAmmy here. This week we are making a very simple and on-budget chicken curry, but it still tastes absolutely amazing. Now for this simple recipe, all you will need is one bunch of spring onions, 1 to 2 cloves of garlic, a 400 gram tin of chopped tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of curry powder. Now the heat is completely up to you. I went for a nice curry powder that also had some dried mango mixed in just to give it a bit more of a fruity flavour as well. 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 400 grams of skinless chicken breast cut into bite-sized pieces, and 100 ml of Greek-style natural yogurt. Now to start, add some oil to a pan heated over medium heat and then add in your chicken. Now whilst your chicken cooks, you can take this time to slice your spring onions, mince your garlic and prepare your spices. Now put some of your spring onions to one side as this is going to be saved for a garnish on top of the curry later on. And then simply add the rest into the pan, making sure to stir so they don't burn. Once the chicken is white on the outside, pour over your tomatoes and add in your curry powder and ground ginger. Now you want to keep mixing this to fully incorporate the spices and make sure you have no clumps left in the sauce, and then finish cooking over medium heat. Now if the sauce starts to look a little bit dry, you can always top it up with a bit of water, but bear in mind you will be adding yogurt to this later. Now once your chicken is fully cooked, remove the pan from the heat and stir in your yogurt. Now this will lighten the appearance of the dish and somewhat reduce the heat level. Once the yogurt is mixed in and the curry is all one colour, garnish with the remaining spring onion slices and serve. Now this is a very simple low budget curry. It still tastes absolutely amazing and it is a fantastic use for that spare tin of tomatoes gathering dust at the back of your cupboard. Now anyway guys, I have been PepperAmmy. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you all again next time.